What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and the first episode of the series, Off the Grid. Today we are actually in Canada. Let me give you the whole rundown of the situation. We left our house actually at 4 a.m. this morning, took a nice 14-hour drive, got here around 7 or 8 p.m. We're in this little cabin just for tonight. There's a bunch of planes on the water. We're at this little lake, and so what we're gonna do is tomorrow morning at 6:45 we leave. So we're gonna get out of this little cabin right here. We're gonna get all of our gear, all of our luggage, everything. We're gonna put it into one of those planes and we're gonna fly somewhere and get out of here. We're gonna fly about 30-40 minutes. I'll try to capture all that on the GoPro. Hopefully I can, maybe get some cool shots of that. We're gonna fly out of there and we're going to fly in on a lake that's God knows where, and we're gonna spend the next 6 to 7 days there. So I'm gonna be filming about 4 to 6 to 7 episodes for this series. Only problem is that my computer is broken right now, so I'm transferring all these files to my brother John's computer, so thanks John for that again. And then once mine gets fixed, which will take a while, I gotta transfer the files to there and then edit it. This series might be out a little later than anticipated, but I'm hoping to get a video for this series out to you guys every 3 to 4 days. So that's gonna be awesome. And I will see you guys tomorrow when we will be boarding those planes at 6:45 a.m. And I'm looking forward to the series. I honestly sorry for this wind. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I don't know what we're gonna catch. I mean, it's gonna be crazy. So I got some awesome challenges up my sleeve. So stay tuned, guys, and this is gonna be fun. We'll see you tomorrow.
Whatsoever, everywhere.
Guys, after our 30-minute flight, we made it. There's the cabin right there. We got like, I don't know, 8 boats out here, but we're just gonna be using these two nice boats. We just got here. Bugs are bad, so I'm gonna get a lot of bug spray on, and we're gonna eat. We're gonna rig the rods up, and then we're gonna spend the rest of the day in the water. It's only like 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. Sunsets at 10 p.m. So we're gonna be hitting this really hard. We'll probably just start working the shorelines and stuff, honestly, because we don't know any good spots yet. But we're super pumped to be here. The guy did say that the last group that was here, there was a bear in this field. He was eating some dandelions, but they just bang some pans and they go away. So that would be really interesting if we can see one, but hope not. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna eat, put some bug spray on, we're gonna rig the rods up, and me and Dane are gonna hop in that boat and we are gonna hit the lake, try to catch some giants. Let's do it. All right, we're 10 feet of water. Finally got our first fish, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's a nice eye, Dane. That is a nice eye. Let him go if he needs to. Let's work with him. Oh, it's a good eye.
Yeah.
God, I'm trying to come up a little bit. Oh, that's a good fish, bro.
Oh, that's huge. That's freaking huge.
You gotta watch the. That is, dude. That's a good walleye. This is Dane's. Nice. That's a nice fish. See how long she is. Okay, we're gonna get a dope underwater release of Dane's 22-inch walleye. Great first fish. And here, lean on that side of the boat. Here she goes. Great fish. Kind of hard to film an underwater release when we're going forward.
Yeah, right.
So that didn't really work. All right, well, good fish, Dane. All right. What? Got one? Got him? Nice. Hooking up again. Jeez, Nate. Did you feel good or what?
Feels more like a fly right here.
And we're shallow too.
What the hell?
We're shallow. All right.
It's like the same size, right?
That's a good one. No, that one's bigger. That's a nice fish. Dane hooking up. Another nice walleye. Jig right there. Nice white jig. We got a little minnow on the back of it. Should be able to pop this right out. All right. Good fish. Another nice walleye. Look at those chompers on that thing. Pretty cool. And we're gonna put this one on the stringer. This one's definitely a keeper. I'd say probably, 18, 19-ish. Got some meat on them, and we're gonna go back to the house real quick, grab some more minnows, and we will be back. And lure's kind of moving to your side, so sorry. Got one. I'm a nooch now. Sweet. That was shallow. Oh, you got me. Oh God, what do we do here? Just get it off real quick. Oh, he got off here.
Yes, I did it.
Yeah, he got it off.
Huh?
No, we still got the fish. Oh, we're going forward. Woo!
Yeah,
My first fish, all right.
There we go.
Sweet.
We're on the board.
Let's go, baby. My first walleye, it's probably our smallest, but we're gonna see if he's a keeper or not. All right, so my first one, we were actually just by this log. We're gonna go back. Me and Dane just missed 2 fish, so we decided to come back to this log. It's like really shallow, probably like 7 feet deep, and this one is a keeper. So we're gonna put her on, and we're gonna do the same exact thing, and hopefully get on some more. All right, let's do it. Awesome. Finally, my first fish.
Nice job.
Oh yeah, 8 feet here. Oh, I just hit it. Got him. Got another one. We're on him.
God damn it, again?
Oh crap, again.
Wow.
I did not see that big. I'm just kind of pulling him in.
No?
Well, maybe he's getting more weight by the boat. I don't know. That was in another 7 feet of water. Right now the water's 71 degrees. Nice and warm. Woo!
Pretty good.
Let's go, baby. Hey, yeah, that's a nice fish.
Wanna
That's
measure?
won't measure it, but he's definitely a keeper. Probably like 17 or so.
Yeah.
A little bit fatter, a little girthier than the last one. But yeah, me and Dana are just going back to the log, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're on to something here. So let's keep at it. Oh, got one. Oh, I think I'm going forward. All right, back in nooch. Next cast. We're on him, baby.
Just stop rolling.
Cast it, maybe. Yeah. Oh, look how small he is. That is such a small pike. All right, first pike of the trip. Yeah, let's get a measurement on this bad boy. He is small. Get that thing out of the boat. If it's not 30 inches, then I don't care. Got one. Doesn't seem that big though. Yeah. So I think it's a pike. Yeah, it's definitely a pike. The way it's definitely a dink pike. 100%. Oh, it's a nice walleye. Definitely felt like a pike. What the heck? Woo! Good walleye. Yeah, these 2 logs, guys. This log and that log cast in between them. Got that fish in about, yeah, I got it. Got that fish in about 5 feet of water, probably. Right next to shore, literally right next to that rock over there. So shallow right now. You can see they're just swallowing these right there. That's awesome. Super cool.
That's the nest.
You got one?
As soon as it hit the water.
As soon as they hit the water?
As soon as it,
Oh, we got a honey hole.
If this is right where yours was, I'm going to guarantee that it's a walleye too. My pike.
Oh, you got a pike? Crap. All right, yeah, this guy's a little too small. Still a nice fish. Jane's got a pike on. Here, we'll try to get him. Oh, this will be easy. Yeah, this is perfect. Just don't want to snap the line. There you go.
You?
Yep. Yeah, literally, there's something in here. Got one.
Yep.
God, this spot is so good. This one feels decent. Whatever it is. It's either like a dink pike that's fighting a lot or like a nice walleye.
Pretty low. I don't see anything.
It's coming up.
Looks like a walleye, I think.
Yeah, it's a nice eye. Very nice eye. Whew, that's a keeper.
Got that one.
That's a nice walleye. Same spot that we've been catching them all now. Definitely on a honey hole for sure. Really nice fish. And we're gonna put that one on the stringer along with the other ones, and we got some nice. We're gonna have some nice food tonight. Yeah, I felt that pike at Hallett. Hold on. Got him. Another fish, baby. I'm sitting down because I'm trying to fix this motor. Hopefully it's not a pike, or else I'm gonna stop using leeches. It's a nice eye. Woo! Another nice eye. Oh! All right, another nice eye. We'll put them on, and if we catch any bigger ones, we will take that one off. That's a good one though. Just threw the hook with the leech on it this time, so that's good. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our day today. Me and Dan came out here. Struggled at first, and then we found a honey hole and found some other spots. Turned off the camera and actually caught maybe a few more. He caught like 2 20-inchers or something like that. So that was awesome. But still, like middle of the day. I need to save my batteries for the other days. So actually, right now, if you can hear them behind us, my dad and my brother John are heading up all the way up there. We're gonna try to find some pike. We're gonna follow and we're gonna do the same. But I need my batteries to stay charged. We don't have that many. Only 2 outlets in the house. We're gonna turn off the film for today, and we're gonna head up the stream, and we're gonna try to catch some pike with them. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you're new here, subscribe. That completes episode 1 of Off the Grid, and we will see you guys for episode 2. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.